0 o'clock to 0:30. I thought my Wi-Fi was safe. WPA2 password, long key, no guests allowed. So I challenged myself. I used Kali Linux to hack into my own network, just to test it, but what I found honestly scared me. I booted into Kali Linux. Installed Aircrack-ng, a tool built to audit Wi-Fi security. This wasn't about breaking in. It was about learning how vulnerable my own network really was. I ran Airodump-ng, saw my own router, and a few unknown MAC addresses connected to it. Devices I didn't recognize. Maybe I forgot a smart TV or an old phone, I thought. I launched a DOS attack on my own Wi-Fi. Everyone in my house lost connection, even my mom's phone, except for one device. It stayed connected. That shouldn't be possible. I dug deeper, checked the MAC address logs. This device had been connected for weeks. I had no idea whose it was. Turns out, a neighbor had cloned my MAC address and was piggybacking on my connection. He had guessed a week-old password from years ago and never disconnected. My network was being watched, my browsing, my activity, my bandwidth. I thought I was being safe, but Kali Linux showed me the truth. I immediately changed my Wi-Fi password. Set WPA3 encryption. Disabled WPS, created a whitelist for MAC addresses. The point is this: if you don't test your own network, someone else might. Kali Linux isn't just for hackers. It's a mirror, showing you what you can't afford to ignore. If you want to learn how to use Linux to protect your digital life, not destroy it, subscribe. I share real tools, real stories, and zero BS. This was just one test. You won't believe what I'm trying next.